Are you thinking about getting a dog and trying to decide between a Labrador and a Dachshund? The Labrador, loyal, dependable, and dopey. But have you ever considered the issues with your purebred 70-pound lab sitting on your lap and crushing you to death or getting into everything? The Dachshund, small, lazy, and yappy. But have you considered the constant worry you'll face for your tiny Dachshund's back health every time he jumps off the couch? Poor Fido. Well, fear no more. We here at Weird Designer Breeds Incorporated have taken those grievances to heart and come up with a solution to all of your woes. The Dachsador. These one-of-a-kind dogs, no, not dogs, but companions, family members, even makeshift children when the real ones fly the coop, come from the F1 generation of crossbreeding a purebred Labrador and a purebred Dachshund. This mating strategy is referred to as outbreeding. Outbreeding is the mating of unrelated or more distantly related individuals than the average population. This is the opposite of inbreeding, which involves the mating of individuals more closely related than the average population. Inbreeding increases the homozygosity of the offspring, while outbreeding increases the heterozygosity of the offspring. Crossbreeding of these two very different but unique dog breeds masterfully creates the maximum hybrid vigor in the F1 generation that makes these designer companions the peak performers of the household. What's hybrid vigor, you ask? Hybrid vigor, or heterosis, is an increase in the performance of hybrids over that of purebreds, most noticeably in traits like fertility and survivability, due to an increase in heterozygosity. Breed complementarity refers to an improvement in the overall performance of offspring resulting from mating individuals with different but complementary breeding values. These companions are smaller and more manageable than the purebred Labrador, requiring less food and maintenance over their lifetime. They also have a shorter back and longer legs than the Dachshund, making them less likely to suffer spinal injuries every time Fido decides he's had enough couch potato time with you. Crossbreeding is a fantastic way to combine the desirable traits of two different breeds while increasing the heterozygosity of the animal's genome. This heterozygosity is achieved by mating two animals that come from inbred lines, meaning they are likely more homozygous than heterozygous. This increase in heterozygosity decreases inbreeding depression and the expression of deleterious recessive alleles. Inbreeding depression is basically the reverse of hybrid vigor. It is a decrease in the performance of inbred animals due to an increase in homozygosity and a decrease in genetic combination value. This occurs when an animal is homozygous for an allele that causes a genetic defect. Outbreeding increases heterozygosity, which decreases the likelihood that those recessive alleles will be expressed and cause genetic defects. These are truly some great companions. The portability of the Dachshund combined with the health benefits of the Labrador. What could be better? Dachsadors come in a variety of colors and have colorful personalities to match. Whether they're snuggling, chewing, cuddling, eating, burrowing in the blankets, begging for attention, sleeping, or flying, they're just a delight to have around. Call the number on the screen and you can get your very own Dachsador for just 11 easy payments of $87.63. But wait, there's more! Call in the next 30 minutes, and when you place your order, you will receive a complimentary, half-chewed, slobber-soaked, bacteria-ridden Dollar Tree dog toy free of charge. Just pay a small shipping and handling fee of $8.95. Supplies are limited. This deal won't last long, so call now to reserve your free gift. Due to the nature of crossing two extremely different breeds to achieve complementarity, consistency in offspring tends to be low. This is due to Mendelian sampling, which is the random sampling of parental genes caused by segregation and independent assortment of genes during germ cell formation and by random selection of gametes in the formation of the embryo. Phenotypes may vary.